Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, the 9th of May, and lockdown day 44. So we've got a very different workout. What we've done is we've got our main workout in the top and kind of an extra little burner at the bottom. So how it works is the ground to overheads go 30, 20, 10. The lockdown burpees I'll get to now. It's a new burpee that I'm kind of playing with. Those increase in numbers. And then you have a 50-meter sled pull, different to yesterday's sled pull, or carry after each round. So you'll do 30 ground to overheads, 10 burpees, and then the sled, 20, 20 sled, 10, 30 sled. Once you've completed that, we'll move on to here. It's the same reps, well, it's just half the rep schemes. We're working with squats and presses, and then bicep curls and diamond push-ups. So just to go through it, we've got our ground to overhead. So if you've got your odd object, you can either snatch it up or clean and shoulder to overhead. So that's your ground to overhead. If you've got a single object, you want to do your kettlebell or your dumbbell, same story. You've got your snatch, or you've got clean and shoulder to overhead. Then we go into the lockdown burpees. These are something I've been playing with as well. So how it works is you go down into the burpee, then you squat, press up, and then jump up and up, right? So it's bottom of the burpee, squat, press up, and jump. Those are our new lockdown burpees. And then you will do a sled pull. A sled pull that I'm talking about is like you've seen in the strongmen, where they're pulling the trucks or trains or airplanes. And you've got a weight. You can attach anything to your weight, any kind of rope, string, hose pipe, anything that you can get to stay there. And then you're literally sitting and pulling the weight towards you until you've accumulated 50 meters of sled pulling. It's also similar to a rope climb. If you've got somewhere to do a rope climb, do a rope climb. But this is just a different way of getting that pulling action. Right? Okay. Then we go, if you don't want to do the sled pull, you've got nowhere to do the sled pull, we're doing the carries again, same as what we've done before. Either farmer's carry, so you're holding your weight in the suitcase position, or we go into front rack carry, okay, holding it in the front rack, or like your atlas carry or goblet carry, just walking with it in front of you there. You've got your odd object or buckets or anything like that. If you want to hold it in front of you and just secure it and walk that way. So that will be that equivalent for the sled pull if you don't want to do the sled pull, but we want to work the arms in trying to carry something, so we've got the same movement. So you'll do 30 ground to overhead, 10 of the lockdown burpees, and 50 meters of the sled. 20 ground to overhead, 20 lockdown burpees and 50 meters, and then 10, 30, 50. Okay, then we move on to the next round. Again, depending on what implement you've got and what equipment you've got, I've gone with half the reps. If you want to make it more difficult, then go the same reps. All we're doing is using your odd object or kettlebell or bumper plate, whatever you want to play with. And now we're going to do the squats. So it's your front squats. If you want to hold it in that carry position and hit the front squats, or if you want to just hold it there for the front rack, so you'll do your squats, so 15 squats, and then 15 presses. It's not a thruster, so you're not doing 15 thrusters. It's squats, then presses. Same story. If you want to do your front rack squats, then just spread it amongst the sides. And then same thing with the presses, we're just pressing up. So you'll do 15 front squats, 15 presses. Then keeping your object, we've got the bicep curls. I've called the bicep curls just a change of scenery, but it is also similar to your hang power clean. So literally, we're just gonna pull up. So it's kind of a hang power clean or bicep curl, whichever you wanna play with. And then the diamond push-ups, either on your object. So if you wanna do your push-ups on your object, chest comes down to the object and back up, or just your normal diamond push-ups. So not isolating, but hitting the triceps more. So it's kind of like a pump session. So we'll do 15 squats, 15 presses, and then we go to the 5 bicep curls, 5 diamond push-ups. Then we go 10 squats, 10 presses, 10 bicep curls, 10 diamond push-ups. And then 5 squats, 5 press, 15 bicep, 15 diamonds. Like I say, if you want to scale it up, just use the same reps as we used in the first workout. Nice little burner at the end, just to get you pumped. Should be a nice little weekend Saturday workout plus a bit of a bro session to see you through to your Sunday recovery, and we will see you on Monday. Have a good one.